आता डिसिजन जो घेतला डायरेक्टरान ऑफलायन कंडक्ट करता तो व्हेरी रॉंग. कोरोना बेश्टो डिप्लोमाक जावचो ना अशें कांय ना. तो युनिवर्सिटीन डिसिजन घेतला की ऑनलायन करता म्हणून. सो आमी वचून बेश्टे उलयता तें वांगडा कित्याक तें असो डिसिजन कित्याक घेतलो आनी कारण कितें तशें अशें वयता आनी मातशें लेटर दिता आनी उडून येता. पांच जाण वयताले स्टुडंट आनी तो फुडें बराबर तूं यो वुमन येवन लेटर सांग ते विकेन खामकील गोवन शॉपकीपर आनी आमचो यो तूं यो मोलाली 5 जाणां
regarding exam. Yeah, regarding exam. Next authority is the board secretary. The board secretary. Yeah, even offline exam, typically schedule के बाद finally diploma. What is it? What is it? Exam is. So let them come. The media. You can't take photo. The media sir, आमचे कोण होते? Media they can't take seriously. It's not a good something. Effectively, give the ignored. We want to meet you. We want to meet the discussion. Okay, then throw it on this, no? आम्ही येऊन बाहेर निघालो हां या या ओनली 5 people are there. Only 5 people. कॅमेरा से ऑफ तो कॅमेरा ऑफ आहे सर तर आम्ही विचारू सर विदाउट वी आर मशीन वी वांट टू डिस्कस द इश्यू रिगार्डिंग द फायनल रिव्ह्यू वी आर लेट अस डिस्कस इट बट व्हाई इज इट ऑन आम्ही विदाउट सर कॅमेरा सर आता वी विल गो इनसाइड करू सर व्हाई दे ऑन. If you not tell them, they will not to put it. Then media are how we can tell. They come here. Why you are taking photographs? The media, they are not. You identify a person. So you identify in come. Yeah. Only 5 people. Presentation I want to tell you.
Sir, all universities are going online exam. They are saying that why only this department is going offline. How?
See, university is an examination body. Okay. Likewise, Board of Technical Education is also an examination body. The university takes a decision, one decision. It is not proposed that the Board of Technical Education could take the same decision. That could be a variation because quantums are different. University will go dealing with few thousands. We might be dealing with hundreds or few less than 100.
But do you think the students' demand is
So we told them that we will probably look into that demand, and then we said that we will definitely before 10 days, okay, we will let you know the exact result. Whether it should be 10 days prior to the start of the exam, we definitely tell them.
Thank you.
And we have met the Secretary of Director of Technical Education Board, and we have demanded that exam of final year students of diploma should be conducted in online mode. ताका आनी काय ऑप्शनूच ना, ऑनलायन मोड कंडक्ट करूंकूच जाय. बिकॉज इफ यू गो टू सी सेकंड वेवान गोवाक खूब त्रास जालेलो आहा, लोक बी बेडा खातीर ऑक्सिजना खातीर मेलेले आहा. सो वी डोंट वॉन्ट दीस सिच्युएशन टू कम वन्स अगेन. एंड एज ऑफ नाव स्टुडंट्स जे आसा गोंयभर आनी लोक जे अजून ते रिकवर जावंक ना सेकंड वेव पासून, अजून भुरगे जे आहा दे आर पॉझिटिव्ह, दे आर इन होम क्वॉरंटायन. फ्यू स्टुडंट्स आर विथ their पेरंट्स इन हॉस्पिटल, पेरंट्स त्यांचे एडमिटेड आहा म्हणून. फ्यू स्टुडंट्स हॅव लॉस्ट वन ऑफ द पेरंट. And students who are youth at 22 years, 19 years old, 20 years old, they have lost life because of COVID-19. And in this situation, DTE conduct karun exam offline mode. I don't know why DTE is so arrogant. Last year also they did the same thing. They have conducted all offline exams. So because of this, we have come here today. And if you go to see yesterday, Goa University, we met the registrar of Goa University to demanding that all the final year exams should be in online mode. And तांच्यांनी एक बरो डिसिजन घेतला that undergraduate, BCom आसूं, BSc आसूं, तांची एक्झामी ऑनलायन जातले म्हणून. ऑल्सो इंजिनियरिंग एक्झाम, the degree course, their exam will be conducted in online mode. The architecture exam will be conducted in online mode. The law college, the law students, their exam will be conducted in online mode. And all the other courses in Goa, their exams are conducted in online mode. Why only diploma exams are conducted in offline mode? हे प्रश्न घेऊन आम्ही ताका मेळपाक आयिल्ले हांगा. आनी तेणें आमकां सांगला that 10 days prior तांची बोर्ड मिटींग जातली, बोर्ड मिटींग. त्या बोर्ड मिटिंगान हे इश्यू ते डिस्कस करतले and they will come with the solution. And we are asking the CM, where is CM? As the education minister तो खंय आसा, तो न्हिदलाय काय? He as the education minister should play his role of an education minister and he should come and he should solve this issue in the interest of the student. ते सगळे स्टुडंट्स आहा तेका लागता. He is an education minister. He is not even replying his email. If you go and check his email box, तांचे हजारांनी ईमेल आणि भरला आसतले स्टुडंट्साचे ईमेल. नॉट इवन वन ईमेल हिज एड्रेस. तो खंय न्हिदलेलो. आमी मागता सीएमा कडेन तूं यो आनी मेळ डायरेक्टराक, बोर्ड तेजी बोर्ड मिटींग जातली तांकां सांग की एग्जाम ही ऑनलायन जावंक जाय म्हणून. वाय डिस्क्रिमिनेशन करता तुमी? डिप्लोमा स्टुडंट्साकूच कित्याक तुमी ऑफलायन एग्जाम आन्सर कर म्हणटा? 10th exam cancel झाली, 12th exam cancel झाली, all the final year exam of Goa University are conducted online. Why only diploma students have to face problem? अशें न्हू की तांकां ऑनलायन कंडक्ट केली जाल्यार तेंचे स्टँडर्ड ऑफ एड्युकेशन देंवतलो म्हणून. दे हॅव अ मेकॅनिझम टू इवॅल्युएट द स्टुडंट. Goa University has used that mechanism. What they are doing is internal marks in previous semester marks they are conducting and one small test they are conducting. So in that way, both the way balance करू शकता. Also the internal marks and online test. It is not advantage for the students की तुम्ही online exam दवरतले and students copy करतले. 70% of marks are with the DT of internal marks and previous semester. Only 30 marks online test दवरतले ते. So what is the problem of conducting online exam? CMाक म्हणटा हांव तूं बेगीचे बेगीन यो आणि इश्यू सॉल्व कर म्हणून. हे स्टुडंट, एक गोंयचे स्टुडंट, हे तुका लागता एज एड्युकेशन मिनिस्टर. तो केन्ना लास्ट डिग्रीन आयिल्लो, केन्ना लास्ट युनिव्हर्सिटीन आयिल्लो, कोणाक कांयच खबर ना. एज अ एड्युकेशन मिनिस्टर तेणें पांय तरी दवरला युनिव्हर्सिटीन फ्रॉम लास्ट 3 years. ताका विचारता हांव. तेणें एक मिटींग तरी घेतला विथ ऑल द रजिस्ट्रार रिगार्डिंग दीस एक्झाम. वी आर आस्किंग फॉर अपॉइंटमेंट फ्रॉम लास्ट 1 year. तो अजून आमकां एक अपॉइंटमेंट दिना. कित्याक? एस्टरडे तो ABP मेळटा. आफ्टर इश्यू सॉल्व जाला मागीर ABP मिटींग द CM. तो बेश्टे आपल्याच पार्टीच्या लोकांक मेळटलो, आपल्याच कार्यकर्त्यांक मेळटलो. बाकीचे स्टुडंट न्हू, बाकीचे स्टुडंट गोंयचे स्टुडंट न्हू. एज अ एड्युकेशन मिनिस्टर तो बायस आसूंक जायना. ही शूड टेक अ डिसिजन इन द इंट्रस्ट ऑफ स्टुडंट. आमी वॉर्निंग दिता DTEक आनी CMाक की तेणें म्हटलां की आतां बोर्ड एग्जाम जातली, बोर्ड मिटींग जातली. त्या बोर्ड मिटिंगेन समज ऑनलायन एग्जाम जायना जाल्यार आमी सगळे स्टुडंट्सांक घेवन येतले. दीस इज ओन्ली द फ्यू स्टुडंट्स. बिकॉज ऑफ COVID-19 आमी सगळे स्टुडंट्सांक आपोवंक ना. आनी थोडे पेरंट्स सुद्दां आयला हांगा. आता समज डिसिजन इन द इंट्रस्ट ऑफ स्टुडंट जायना जाल्यार ऑल द पेरंट्स and all the students will come and we are warning the CM to please wake up, please play your role as education minister and take the decision in the interest of students. Because if this student answer this exam and enga ki zale and if we lose this student in the future urcho na, because of future of the student take the decision and follow the Goa University. Not only Goa University, the Delhi University, the Kerala University, all the universities around India are conducting online exam. Why this DT is so arrogant? आम्हाला काय कळना. So we are waiting for the board meeting and we'll wait and we'll watch the decision की जाता and we hope that decision will be the interest of the students. Otherwise we will come and we will protest in front of CM's house.
When is the exam?
हाँ?
Exam केन्ना?
एक्झाम त्यांचे 5 जुलैसून स्टार्ट जावपाची आहा. सो 10 दीस त्यांचे पयलीं त्यांची मिटींग जावपाची आहा. सो त्या मिटिंगेन दे वील डिस्कस. she wants to see as affected to.
The director is insensitive to our cause, first of all. So we want our exams to be online, that's it. And please, Pramod Sawant, our Honorable Chief Minister, please help us, that's it. Thank you.
आमका जाय ऑनलाइन एग्जाम आमका जाय आमका जाय ऑनलाइन एग्जाम आमका जाय ऑनलाइन एग्जाम आमका जाय वी वांट जस्टिस